at these cool birds, guys. Some big birds out there. What are those birds?
Look at Daddy, look at that.
What are those?
Look at that, Daddy. Look at that. That big sheep.
Because we're in between a bike and we're in between a person, and all you can think is someone yelling, "You're not a car." Look what I found to throw off. Should I smash it before I throw it off, or do like a smash throw, like off the deck? Just shatter it off the deck and just get the cap to get close to the edge. We don't have two to like do a challenge.
Yeah.
For a second. It only unlocks the 40 plus, level 2 mature. Well, no whales, nothing to see.
Not at the moment. There might be some out where we're going.
Let's try to relay a message to the captain to steer towards our coordinates, and we'll just narrowly miss them off to the port side here.
That's the turbulence from jets.
Well, this is the only place we can one wheel. Out here. How are you going to get to the upper deck? Well, there might be a different way in.
I haven't been on this one in a while. I know the others.
Yeah, I think this is the front.
Helicopter! There's a spinning thing up there.
Kind of. Yakima, guys. Well, better save some juice for the rest of the trip here. Okay, well, you're gonna just have to sit down in your seat then. That's about all there is to do.
Road!
Thought the ferry was free. Dude, if the ferry was free, they'd max out their like walk-ons. It would be like such a tourist. They'd be able to like afford to like keep all their boats in repair. As it is now, one by one, they're just losing boats, you know?
Hit that with the needle gun.
End of the time.
Paint it up. Be good to get in both.
End of the time. Something.
Nasty paint. But you know, you also don't give a shit about like the patina and stuff like that. You're just like, I just want these.
Daddy, I want to go back to our seats.
Okay. It's not a bad idea.
Do you ever watch Free Solo?
could be like partial outside, but this is probably like more where they can rest and recover.
I forgot my helmet.
I want to tighten all the bolts on my things. My mag handles are about to come off on his.
I got a strip bolt there.
I'm
On what?
hungry. Me too. I'm hungry.
Oh, I see.
You sit over there with
This is kind of like a house.
that there.
This is kind of like a house.
All right.
This is kind of like a house.
So we're at home. Bye.
Houseboat. Very fast.
Getting my seat under here.